Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I'm doing an acrylic pour with a hairdryer, and this is one of my favorite techniques. It's actually rather simple to do once you get the hang of it, and it can make some gorgeous pieces. So I'm using all Mixed Media Girl pouring paint. These are ready to go right out of the bottle. You don't have to mix them with anything. You just pour and go. And I'm doing a two-toned background for this piece. So this color I'm putting down right now is called Deep Sea. It is a really deep navy blue. It looks almost black through the camera, but once you put other colors up against it, it is just gorgeous. It really makes them pop. And then I'm using a Remington hairdryer to spread that out. And I use this on high air and completely cold, so no heat whatsoever. And I do like to use it with the diffuser attachment, or platypus attachment as I like to call it. It might be called something else, I'm not sure, but that's what I call it. And that just helps to have specific direction for the air. Then I put white on the other side and did the same thing, blowing it out with the hairdryer, taking care not to blow it into my blue at all. I'm just going right next to it and spreading that out evenly. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to be putting the other colors in between these, and I like it to have a little character either way. I like to go in the diagonal kind of pattern here, but you can do whatever you would like. So I'm just using a few colors in between. I'm using some gold, powder blue, and tiger orange. The powder blue and tiger orange are two of my newest colors, and I think they're just gorgeous, and they actually look fantastic together. The orange also looks great with turquoise, but the powder blue is just beautiful. I added a little more of the Deep Sea on the one side of this, and that can just help the paint to flow if it's a little bit on the thinner side. And then I took my Remington hairdryer again and blew that out. Now how you blow this, it's totally up to you, and how much you blow it out is totally up to you. I like to almost kind of feather it out, so I'll go on one side, then the next, and then the next, and blow it all in more or less the same direction. But I do switch this up sometimes, and sometimes I blow it out in a certain direction and I'm like, oh, I don't like that. And then you can just kind of go back over that section again and change the direction of it a little bit. It is key to not overdo it with the hairdryer though, because you can end up really mixing your colors and getting a little bit muddy, but really it's totally up to you and the kind of look that you like. And you can see those gorgeous colors over the Deep Sea now. It looks really beautiful. Now from here, you can leave it as is, but I typically like to take a stick or something similar and I'll kind of pull out some parts of the design and add some wispies, as I call them. And that's, again, optional. It's just something that I like to do. You can also pull your background colors back into your design, which can create a completely different look, and it's also awesome. So just have fun with it. Really, you can keep working on this as long as you would like. Now at the end, I like to just make sure that I have touched up all my sides and didn't miss any spots. And then that's it. Just let it dry. So here's how it looks completely dry. And those colors, I think, just look gorgeous together. One great thing about this paint too is it does dry fairly glossy. So you don't necessarily even need to apply a gloss sealer unless you really want to. But I just really, really, really love the look of this, and there's so many different ways you can do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.